guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 1950s chic look. It's more like a maid look on Dress to Impress. Like she's carrying like a bucket of water and like that's a sponge. I am going to be barefooted for this one. Just go with it. For the hair, super simple. I just use this updo in this color. I think I don't remember, like this one probably, and then go to bangs and then use this one in a dark color and select the higher toggle for that. Then for the outfit I think I used a darker brown than this one. Then for the outfit I use some codes item. You don't need VIP except if you want the like bucket and sponge in quotation mark. Use this outfit here and color it all white. Then use this dress. Where is it? This one in top only, and use this pattern. And then the other in white. And then for the skirt, we're going to use the witch skirt and this and in white. Whoops. My god, the arrows are really bugging me, if I'm being honest. It's very small. It's very hard to do this. Anyways. Oh, also you need this top. I forgot. This one here. Where is it? Hello. Oh, here it is. In top only in white as well. Then for the like sponge and bucket, let me just put on some earrings first. This one, the like round earrings in white. Get the bucket here in the hands toggle. I'm just going to color this like grayish black here, and then I'll do like white and then blue and like silk and then white again, and then like I'll do another blue color, maybe like a lighter blue in silk. For the sponge, use the phone in the first toggle and color it this yellow, DBB23E for all of it. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I forgot the gloves. Use these gloves in short, no fur, and color this blue color, AFC95. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!